The Sunseeker S4 is an autonomous robotic mower designed for residential properties up to 0.25 acres, but what makes it different is not the automation but how it navigates, because instead of relying on buried boundary wires or random movement patterns, the S4 uses the onboard intelligence to map and manage the yard on its own. You simply just place the mower connected through the app and let it scan and understand the space, and you don't need no wire installation or no perimeter setup, because this is as simple as it gets, and that removes one of the biggest barriers to robotic mower adoption. Now let's go ahead and talk about the navigation, because this is not random movement anywhere it wants to go. This is very intentional, because usually traditional mowers, they rely on random bouncing patterns, but the S4 uses the LiDAR combined with the Vision AI, and it actively scans the yard in 3 dimensions, and at the center of that system, you're gonna find the AllSense 3D Fusion sensing, processing over 200,000 data points per second with centimeter level positioning accuracy. And in simple terms, that means that it understands the yard, it doesn't just react, it plans it, and that movement looks very structured instead of chaotic. And as you guys saw, the yard that I'm using has uneven patches. We don't have inclines or declines, but that's not a problem for the S4, but we do have trees, anti-fence edges, and everyday objects like this soccer ball left in the grass, but the S4 handles those situations with the 360-degree obstacle detection and avoidance, the structure and intelligent path planning, and the accurate edge and perimeter cutting, and that instead of bumping into objects, it recognizes and adjusts. And instead of missing corners, it intentionally tracks the edges, and it feels more like a system that understands the space and not a gadget that is kinda guessing its way through the yard. Now when it comes to the performance and the practical everyday use, the S4 operates below the 60 decibels, and that means that it can run during the day without disrupting home life or neighborhood